Hi guys, what's up? We're back at it again with the bounce house. Excuse all my bonnet, whatever my hair do. I don't really care at this point. I'm working, and when I'm working, I ain't the cutest, okay? But I can get cute. But we got the little small bounce house in the back. That's what I'm taking you guys on the journey right now with the small bounce house. I'm gonna flip y'all. I'm driving to the customer house. I just wanted to come on here and make sure I'm doing a video because I go so fast. I literally go so fast and then I forget content. So I'm making sure. Alrighty.